Hi guys, today we have purchased this tool heat shrink tube, but before buying, watch this video. This will serve you no purpose because only tubes you'll use will be of 10 mm. This you get 40 pieces, 10 of each color, but all these are very useless because these are all in smaller size. Only you'll be able to use this 10 mm heat shrink. 10 mm heat shrinks. This side only you get 10 pieces of each color. This is 300 rupees box. Maybe you'll get for below 350 anywhere, but this is very useless product. I don't know what tool people thought and launched this product. This is very useless for mobile repairs and laptop repairs, since these are in very small size like 4 mm, 6 mm, 8 mm. Only useful thing will be 10 mm because this doesn't go even to a USB-C type. The 6 mm, 8 mm what you see, this doesn't even go to the USB-C side. So do not buy this product. Instead buy a local 12 mm heat shrink tube that will serve your purpose. This will definitely not serve your purpose.